From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning and happy Friday from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm student meteorologist Grant Lashott, and I'll be bringing you your Friday morning forecast. As we look over the live shot of Nittany Valley this morning, you can see we do have some snow out here this morning with our temperatures this morning here at 23 degrees. But with that snow, our visibility is at 2 miles. But of course, our feels like temperature is only at 23 because of those calm winds, and our dew point is at 21 this morning. As we look over the satellite and radar over Pennsylvania this morning, you can see that we do actually have some lingering snow showers here in central Pennsylvania, making its way eastward. As you can see, we have some more snow east here in Pennsylvania that's making its way out of here and out of the Commonwealth. So in terms of what we're going to see today, we'll have some lingering snow showers, but they will make their way east and get out of the region. As we look over the temperatures here this morning in central Pennsylvania, we're seeing relatively the same picture with 23 here in State College, 23 in Clearfield, 24 in Altoona, with Harrisburg being our warm spot this morning at 29 degrees, almost cracking 30. As we look over the entire state this morning, you can see that Erie's 14 is our cold spot this morning, and down here in Philadelphia and Harrisburg being our warm spots at 29 and 29 respectively. As we look over our spring break themed weather headlines this morning, you can see that we will have our first nor'easter of the season and the weekend here in Pennsylvania. And with that, our cold will return next week, and we're going to look at the active pattern ahead into the weekend with our precip chances being fairly high throughout the entire weekend. So let's take a look at those precip chances as we look forward into this afternoon. We'll see a chance for those snow showers to linger here in the center portions of the state. And of course, even regions east of here, such as Harrisburg, can see some rain, snow showers, and even Allentown getting in on some of those rain, snow showers as we look forward into our afternoon. But tonight, we're going to actually have a chance for another quick hitting system, drop some quick snow here in Happy Valley, and of course, areas east of here. And even Pittsburgh's going to see some rain from this. And as we move forward into early Saturday morning, we're going to see it's going to make its way out. But with it, it's going to bring and leave clouds that are going to make our temperatures stay pretty stagnant into Sunday. And accumulations-wise with this, we're not looking at much accumulations, with probably accumulations really just topping about an inch here, much the same as we saw this morning from our quick hitter last night. As we look forward into Saturday, you can see that our skies are actually going to clear by Sunday night ahead of this nor'easter that's going to make its way here into off the mid-Atlantic coast. But with that, we did see the chance for snow showers to make its way again into central portions of the state. So that we'll have to keep an eye on that again. But of course, our skies will be clearing by the time we make our way to Sunday afternoon. So as we look at our nor'easter, we're going to see that this is the quick system that makes its way up into the Pennsylvania this afternoon and this evening into tonight, and bringing rain to areas south of here. So as we look at the setup of this thing, the low, this is the American model, of course. The low is going to make its way off the coast and off the mid-Atlantic coast, and depending on how north-south it goes, it's going to depend on how much precip and what type of precip will fall here in Pennsylvania, especially southeastern portions. So over the last few hours, this model has actually trended a little bit further south, which has brought some of the precipitation south with it. Of course, maybe some lighter snow here in State College, but this would mean probably a potentially heavier snow here for Philadelphia and the entire 95 corridor. DC now getting in on some of the snow action, which was not true before. It was bringing some warmer air, so some rain for them. So that's definitely a story to keep an eye on for the D.C. area. And as we make our way actually into Monday morning, that snow is going to continue to linger for the entire 95 corridor. Maybe not true here of central Pennsylvania, definitely not true of areas northwest of here. So if you're trying to get out of here for any spring break plans along the I-95 corridor, you might have some delays you have to worry about Monday morning. So as we look over our temperatures here heading into our weekend, we're going to see that by this afternoon, we'll have temperatures in the mid-30s for most of the state, with some areas even cracking 40 at Pittsburgh at 41, and Allentown making a run at 40 at 39 degrees. So as we look forward into tonight and into early tomorrow morning, you can see those temperatures again, as I said, not really going to do much. State College here at 31, right below freezing. Johnstown right at freezing. Of course, Erie's our cold spot at 24, and Philadelphia right above freezing at 33. So as we look forward into Saturday evening, you can see that those temperatures, as I said, will make their way again into the mid-30s for most of the state, with some spots cracking 40 tomorrow, with Pittsburgh at 40, Philadelphia at 41, Allentown at 39, and even areas south of here, such as Johnstown, making it into the mid-30s. So as we look forward into late Saturday, you can see that cold air starts to plunge. You can see our winds here coming out of the northwest and bringing with that much colder air that we're going to see into early next week. So with our forecast today here in State College, mostly cloudy skies with some lingering snow off the back end of the system we saw move through last night, with a high of 32 degrees today, with winds from the southeast at 2 to 5 miles an hour. As we look at our forecast tonight, we're expecting a low of 29 degrees tonight with mostly cloudy skies and calm winds. As we look over our forecast for tomorrow, you can see that our high should be about 38 here with cloudy skies. Some snow showers lingering in the morning shouldn't be much of a problem after that snow moves in overnight. And with that, our winds coming out of the west at 5 miles an hour. As we look over our 7-day forecast, you can see that we're going to have a little bit of a warm up into the weekend with our precip chances staying with us through Sunday. But then by early next week, our temperature really taking a plunge all the way through the middle of next week, with our lows even seeing single digits again, which is much below average. Our average low here by this time of year is about 24, 25 degrees, and our average high is about 40. So as you can see, our temperatures are going to take a plunge and we're going to get below average. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Grant Lachot. Have a fantastic weekend.